Got it, this is 2-second equations. So first you have to distribute the 5. Let's do that. You have to distribute the 5 to the h, that is 5h plus 65, because that's 5 to the 13 times 13 equals 65, and 85. So first you have to minus, actually first you have to draw a line, then we have to minus 65, that equals 0 because that crosses out. Then you have to do one side, you have to do the other, so minus 65, that equals 20, and just have 5h equals 20, and you have to divide by that because it is multiplying that 5 by the h, so then it'll be the 5, divide by 5, divide by 5, okay, and then that is crossed out, so then you just have h equals, that's about h. H equals 5 divided by 20 equals 4, so h equals